Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll see this how you can connect Power BI to Python, because this is very important to know that how to connecting Python to Power BI, because it's many cases it needed to connect Python to Power BI, like when your data is very unclean, so you need to clean it, so you can clean it through Python, then you can load it later through in Power BI. Then your data comes from some other sources like API, web scraping, cloud database. So that time we need to connect to Power BI to Python. So that's why in this video I will see this how you can connect to Power BI. So let's get started. So first you have to go click you have to open Power BI, then click blank report, and then you have to make sure that you install Python, because if you don't install Python it will not work. If you won't install Python, so go Google and click Python download and go this site and click download and download it, okay, and install it. Then you have to go Power BI and click get data. Before clicking get data you have to go to options and settings, click options and click Python scripting, and you have to share you have to add your Python folder path, okay, where you have installed Python. You have to set the path over here. If it's automatically selected, so you don't need to select it. If it's not, then you have to browse it, okay, do others and browse it. And after if you don't add your Python folder path over here, it will not work, so you have to edit, must edit, then click OK, then go to get data, click more and click Python scripting, Python scripting, and you have to write your code over here, okay, the way you write code in code editor, you have to just write it. So I already write it, so I just paste it over here like this. So I paste it over here, and just before you have to connecting to Python to Power BI, you have to do one thing, just you have to install pandas, numpy and any module that needed to work with this. So you have to go just command prompt and you have to install pandas and numpy, because I need pandas and numpy to import the data to Power BI. So write pip install pandas and enter. And one thing I tell you that its requirement already satisfied, because I already install it. So if you see that type of message like this, that pip is not recognized as an internal command or operator program, so one thing you have to do is that after, like, if pip install pandas, if you do this and if you get this type of message like this, so one thing you have to do is that you have to just I just cancel it right now, and then I go to, and you have to just you have to find out the Python this path, Python script, and you have to just copy it. I have to just copy this path. You have to just copy this path you have to just copy this path, and you have to go edit system environment, and you have to add the path in the environment. Go and double click over here, add new and paste the path, okay. I already added it in, that's why I'm not edit. So if you don't edit, so just edit over here, set the path in the environment variables. Okay, you have to also do the script. Okay, one thing you have to do is that Python, and one thing you have to script. Two path you have to add to the edit environment variable. Then you have to go to uh, command prompt and install pandas numpy this way. After installing, you have to go to Power BI, and click get data, click more, and write Python and paste the paste the code over here, and then click OK, and select it. Let's see, and click load. You will see this data is automatically loaded. One thing that you can also perform anything, like if you clean data and then load it, you can write all the script and paste it over here. First you have to write the code in the code editor like Google Colab, and then after that you will paste all the code in this Power BI. You will see these are data. This is how we can load data from Power BI to Python to Power BI. One thing I see you that, like if you want to add one more columns, okay, we'll see here. I just have the column price, so I have to add another column. So how you can add this, and you can also install it, also you can import this. So like see, go to more and Python script, and just click the I just search the what's the input, and let's see I have to add another column, and then just like I add a total amount column, quantity plus price. So also you can do this. Okay, after like your dataset don't have the this another column, so you can add it through the pandas, and then you can import it in the Power BI. Also you can do this. So I just click OK. We'll see the new columns is coming. Select, let's see total amount. You can also add this new column through pandas, and then you can load it to the Power BI. I just click load. It will take some time, and then go, let's see, total amount new column is added. So this is how you can add Python to Power BI, and this is very useful things to connecting to Python to Power BI, because when you work in industry, you don't just load the Excel file or CSV file from your local system. You have to connect data through many other sources from cloud. So that's why you need to know how to connect to Python to Power BI. Okay, and then in the next video I will see this. We'll see this, that how you can import data through URL. Okay, if you have a data in the particular URL in the cloud, so how you can fetch the data from URL and import it through Power BI, and you can make a dashboard. We'll see in the next video. If you like this particular video, and if you have any query, and if you have any issue, please let me in the comment section. I'll help you out. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.